back. Today, I have an amazing video for you if you're looking to create high quality content with this device right here. We all have a phone, no matter what phone you have, and you probably carry it everywhere you go. I know I do, and I know how hard it is to carry a camera like the one that's right there with me everywhere. It's heavy, it takes up space, it's so time consuming, and this is just so easy. So today I'm gonna show you exactly what you need to create super high quality content straight from your phone. We have everything you need right here. So just letting you know, it's as easy as this. And it's also budget friendly. Everything that I'm going to show you right here is in the links below. It's under our toolkit where not only we have our phone equipment, but in general, our content creation equipment that we use every day to create our own content and our clients' content. So let's get started. Let me introduce you to my handy dandy tripod right here. This in specific is the Sony VCT R640, okay? This tripod is in specific the tripod that we use because not only do we have it adapted for our phone, but it's the one that we use for our camera. So the less stuff and the less camera gear and equipment we need, the better. So in specific, this is why we also have many other of the things in specific, like the extension cords and all that good stuff. But if you have any questions or if you need any recommendations, feel free to leave them down in the comments below and I will tell you exactly what works for you in specific. So this tripod right here, you can see that it has something different up at the top. This right here is our bracket that allows us to connect any phone. So no matter what type of phone you use, you can fit it in here because you can open and close this bracket as you please, okay? In specific, our bracket is the Ulanzi ST03 mount, okay? You can use any bracket. This is just the one that we found that was best, okay? What we're gonna do, we're gonna set up our tripod and all you have to do is plug in your phone and just twist it until it holds your phone down. So it's super easy. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and I can have it vertical or horizontal depending on how I am filming. If I'm filming, let's say, for Instagram stories, then I'll have it vertical, or maybe an IG live. If not, then I'll have it horizontal. For YouTube videos, this is perfect if you want to create high quality YouTube videos. Next, what do we have right here? This is our mic. This mic is my favorite, and it's not only what we use for the phone, but it's also a backup that we always leave on top of the camera in case something goes wrong with our primary microphone, okay? This is super important because whenever you're creating content, things can happen, okay? This can die, the battery can die. Let's make sure it's not dying. And you always wanna have a backup. But not only that, this one is great for your phone, okay? Your phone does have audio, yes. So you might be asking, okay, Laura, but I can just use my headphones, right? Well, yes, you can use your headphones, but if you want to ensure you have the highest quality possible, then you're gonna want to use an external microphone. And for that, I recommend our mic right here, which is the Rode Video mic, okay? What you're gonna do here in specific, the reason why we use this adapter is because, as I mentioned, we also connect it to our camera, okay? So we have this cable right here, which is a TRS to TRRS adapter, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and plug it in right here and then plug it in to my Lightning adapter that came with my phone, okay? If your phone doesn't need this, then you might not need this additional one, okay? So it really depends on your personal equipment, all right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plug this in right here, ta-da, 2 seconds. And you can even put this right here on top and your setup is ready to go. Okay, it wasn't going in. All right, you're going to just plug it in. You can twist it to make sure that it's tight. All right. And there we go. So it's completely set up. I'm ready to go. I can start recording, and it's the best way to ensure I have the highest quality content through my phone. I can use this for client work. I can use this for videos of my product. I can use this for interviews. I can use this for YouTube videos. You can literally use it for anything, okay? You name it, and this is the setup you want to do it. It's easy to carry. You always have it with you, and you don't need to spend a lot of money. All right, so I totally recommend this. If you want my specific links and brands that I use, you can check out the link below. If not, you can leave me a comment and I can give you recommendations for you in specific, depending on what phone you have and what type of content you're looking to create. Hope it helped. Like always, don't forget to subscribe, hit that button below, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.